Christmas! I'm not taking picture, I'm recording. Hi, this is going straight on YouTube. Hey,
My son's
baby.
first birthday.
Birthday?
I'm sorry. My son's first birthday spending with his father. Hold up.
You mean
My
no?
birthday, which is my son's first time spending his day with my. You know what
Cut,
I mean.
cut, cut. Sorry.
Merry Christmas
Give
to my
mommy.
son Adrian.
Give me a smile. Give me a smile.
This is his very first Christmas.
Hey, stop giving me that evil eye. At least if I'm recording, I probably got a better chance of catching a smile. Scratch him. Scratch him. Give me a smile. Come on now. Stop looking at me like that. Come on. Give mommy a smile. Give mommy a smile. Give mommy a smile. Give mommy a smile. Mommy love that baby.
Okay.
That's how you going?
Open up your gift.
That's what I've been doing.
Open up your gift. You ready? Ready for the first gift? Look. Look. It's from Santa. Look, it's
Let's
from
see what Santa got you.
Why you all on my chain though? Huh. There you go.
You should be all on your present. It's covered with tape.
Rip it, Adrian. Rip it.
You can't rip it. If you can. You would just rip it. Rip. I rip it by present and I like it. I rip it by present and I like it. Rippy, rip.
Karen said she wanted that video of
Rip.
remember when I
Rip it.
Rip.
Tough.
that must be the expensive gift. That's the good stuff.
Man.
It's a different kind of elephant.
Oh my goodness, is elephants the theme this year? Let's see what it does.
Hold up. Look, press the button. Press the button.
Are you even looking at it, boy?
Okay, I think he's a little confused because he's definitely not a giraffe. But it's okay though. Whatever he want to be.
What?
It's confused
Did
as
that
he
elephant just say it's a giraffe
is.
though?
It did.
Hold on. Hey, woo woo. Looking just like your daggone daddy.
You like it? No, press the button again. Press the button again. Look. Okay, let's see if this one say he is giraffe again. Or if he gonna know what he is this time.
Let's press the button again. Everybody knows that elephant is not a giraffe. I am confused because this elephant is wrong and I'm not a giraffe.
Okay, huh, Connie?
Yeah, mommy got those smiles.
Alright, let's go to the next one. See? Keep saying that he's a dang on giraffe.
That joint probably need to be on clearance.
As
Can I help him?
Adrian.
Open this present?
Adrian.
Can I help him
No.
open this?
Yeah.
I just want to help him.
Adrian, you go help him. Adrian, come on.
Let's tear out the presents together.
Come on, open the present. Open the gift. Open it up.
Tear? Come on, tear it with me. Come on, tear it.
What is you doing, boy?
Tear it.
He's more interested in
Tear.
hers. He want to know
Tear
what
it.
she's
Tear it.
thinking. Ooh, yeah, just what we needed. Just what we needed. Who's that from?
Ooh, this from Grandpa. Say, I'm my own grandpa.
Say, even though Grandpa got my name wrong, it's the thought that counts.
Say, yeah, he forgot the H.
see what this says.
Let's say ADR.
What's that? Lotion, baby wash.
And some safety.
Ooh, look, they got the ear safe bulbs.
And they have safety swabs.
I have no idea what that means, but okay.
Means those the ones we've been looking for, but we don't have.
Okay. Well, here goes something else from Grandpa.
The early learning giraffe
Are you still
elephant.
recording?
Hmm?
Giraffe
recording?
elephant.
Mhm.
Giraffe elephant?
I mean, it's an elephant that thinks it's a giraffe.
Alright, hold on. Come on, you ready? Rip it open.
Rip. Come on, let's rip. Come on.
Alright.
At least it turns off by itself.
He likes my thumb more than the present. Come on, let's rip. Rip, rip, rip. We haven't even got to the next. We haven't even seen it. Roll it open. Roll. Dang.
God. God dang.
They use too
He
much.
just gave you some raps.
Oh, look.
Ooh, what is this? Huh?
It's a.
Electronic keychain.
Yeah.
Ooh, and you
Yeah,
can
what,
press the
what
button.
baby doesn't like fake keys?
You'll love that.
Say, hey, I'm in love with it. I'm in love. Yes.
Now we gotta open up the medium-sized present. The
Well,
present.
can the last one you do like a picture of him? Picture of him, open it instead of
Because
recording
it's
it.
huge.
Is that the last one?
No, that's the last one.
Come on, you ready?
Let's
Open it.
rip.
Open it.
Let's
Open it. Not my chain. Get off my chain. Get off my
Look at
chain.
him, he's
Get off
trying
my
to,
chain.
look.
Get off.
Come on, let's rip. Let's rip. 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 Don't tell me this part.
Uh-oh, grandma bought you socks and underwear.
Rip. Rip. Yeah, this is from Grandma Shelly.
Got my Shelly.
Rip. Rip. Drop the wrap. Dang, she put a lot of tape on this.
Well, at least I guess my side of the family, they wrap their gifts. They do it well.
Outside the family wrapped the gifts too.
Well, just on pack.
Ooh, bottle.
Ooh, she wants you all that flu. But it's okay though, because you're the boy.
Yeah, man, we need some bottles too.
You only got 3 though.
Trust me, 3's enough. Say, yep, we
Maybe you
need
like
some
these
bottles.
nipples better, 'cause look, just like yours.
Those are the big bottles.
No, they're not.
Why you hold your hand, huh? Hold your bottle. Hold your bottle.
See,
Hold your bottle.
bottle.
Hold your bottle. Yeah.